watermelon smoothie.
Very nice. Watermelon is good for you guys.
No sugar, just add a little bit of milk and then viola.
Nice, huh?
Can add.
Bella loves it too.
Yummy.
Yum.
Mommy.
Thank you.
Mommy.
Where's your glass?
Okay, my saffron just arrived. Just been delivered. Yes, I'm planning a paella. Eh, baby? Can't wait, I miss the paella. Okay, that's the one. I can make a full regular paella with that, I've been told. From Spain. I'm waiting for the rice as well, Spanish rice. Anyway, we see when the time comes. I will do that paella. I will show you. 657 pesos delivered. Okay. Bella tried to grab everything. Today we haven't done nothing. That's eating, but it started raining very strongly. Woohoo! Wow, wow. Yeah, my love. Wow, 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 wow. We won't miss water. All the tanks will get full in 2 minutes. Wow. Maybe you can see that cloud up there. Yeah, now you can see the difference here between the tree there and the big cloud that just came in over us. Oh, wow! Yeah, my love. I can't film her fully. She's not dressed. So hot. Wow. James doing the dishes. The brother's not here anymore to do the dishes. Oh yeah. Done nothing today, just watch video. Need a rest.
Let's go eat.
Okay, good morning.
Yeah, when I can
Hello. Hello. Okay, I gotta do some work on the carport storage room. It's due. I haven't done anything yesterday. My back wasn't that great. My sciatica is finished. I mean, I don't feel anything on my legs. Just my back's still a bit sore. Anyway. Okay, let's do something. Is that your bag? Okay. This is what I need to clear. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, you having breakfast by yourself like a big girl? Eggs? Yeah, nice. Okay, enjoy that. It's gonna go working. This is for mommy. Mommy, she pinched your egg. Tuna, a little bit omega-3, yes. Good. First I need to clear this table. So I need to put one bit here, one panel here, and one here. This is the door. I got some shelving here I have to install. But I just set up herself. Okay, good girl. Yeah, this is for the walls. The new wall. Let to see which one is the sharpest one. Otherwise, I'll sharp. I can sharpen. There's no wheels. Okay, ready to put the board now. I got 4 of those. That's it. It's not heavy, just cumbersome. I don't have enough of this, so I'm gonna have to buy this weekend. Just put as many as I can. Okay, it's not perfect, but I don't care. It's good enough. I haven't got enough screws, so I need to buy tomorrow. We're going Dipolog and finish it off. But I can put a 2 shelving. Yeah, and more. Camera has to move. Oh, Jam 2 has been very, very busy. Good one. Amari Sky. Well done.
I leave the iPad here.
Yeah, first quick bath before lunch. I'm sweating so much. Woo. Woo. Try to have a nap, but it's raining hard outside. Try to have a nap, but I got woke up by a heavy rain. Well done, Andrea. Okay, I gotta install this shutter. Baby's sleeping so well at the porch. There's so much rain. So many little things. I'm gonna go have a beer. The baby's sleeping. Okay, I'm finished here for today. Oh, what's happened to Mama? What is it, black lady sheets?
Yeah, before.
Maybe cream. Strange. I didn't punch her, I didn't bite her, nothing. Just
I don't know. I just woke up like.
it's a reaction to something.
Maybe when I was sleeping.
Every time we go to the mountain, we come back with something.
No,
I'm telling you.
it's
No?
before.
Was there before? Okay, it's before.
When I woke up, it's, I don't know, maybe plant.
Okay, I'm going back to the house. I finished today. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.